Hello Ladybugs, thank you for returning to this video, to my channel. I am Stacy, for those of you who don't know who I am, and I like to do home decor, DIYs, makeovers. So if you like those type of videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it, so every time that I upload a video, you will be notified. And to my ladybugs that's always here, thank you so much for your support, and I hope that this video will give someone some type of motivation to get up and clean up their space. So with that being said, we just gonna get right to the cleaning.
How am I gonna get home? I spend all my money and drinks in our own. Never listen warnings, but there's no reason.
Okay, y'all, so I'm cleaning this tub out. I don't know why it's so hard to clean this tub out, but I need to get one of those. I don't know if it's called a wand, or I really don't know the name of it. Anybody who knows the name of it, please put it down in the comment below so I can purchase one, or somebody could send me one. That'd be great. And also, I meant to mention that you didn't see me clean the shower, because that's another situation where I probably need the wand, because I have to get totally naked to get a good cleaning of the shower, and then take a shower after I'm done cleaning it. But if you guys know the name of that product where you could just use it to reach on the other side, please put it in the bottom of the comments so I would be able to go and purchase one, or maybe, like I said, someone will send me one. But we're going to get back to the cleaning. But I just want you guys to know that I'll probably pop in and out of this video. But let's get back to this cleaning.
Things can wait. Well, I took too many sips. I mean, what exactly is too many? As long as I'm walking, I'm okay. I'll feel better anyway. Forgot about my problems, but how am I gonna get home? I spend all my money and drinks in our own. Never listen warnings, but there's no reason to worry. Never listen warnings, but there's no reason to worry. All the other things can wait. Oh, all the other things can wait. No, all the other things can wait. All the other things can wait.
Why are you acting like a fool? Walking around you at school. Please tell me how is this so cool? Ooh, ooh, ooh. So why you acting like a fool? Trying my best to get you. Sometimes I feel that you're just cruel. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Could you give me a sign, or maybe write me a letter? I just wanna get closer to feel the heat of your sweater. But why? Why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I had a dream about you last night. We're getting drunk at the local bar. I grab you close to my body, feeling the temperature rising, and for a kiss. Could you give me a sign, or maybe write me a letter? I just wanna get closer to feel the heat of your sweater. But why? Why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. truth, I'm going crazy, going crazy, going crazy. Could you give me a sign or maybe write me a letter? I'm not sure anymore if it's gonna get better. So why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking